If scrolling suddenly stops working in Chrome, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a few quick fixes that can solve the problem fast. Whether the issue is caused by a temporary browser glitch, a Windows system hiccup, a mouse or touchpad problem, or even Chrome's hardware acceleration setting, we'll walk through each step one by one. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, restart Google Chrome completely. Close Chrome, make sure every window is shut down, and then open it again. Once Chrome reopens, go to any web page and try scrolling normally. Sometimes a browser just gets stuck because of a temporary glitch, and a simple restart is all it takes to bring scrolling back. If that does not fix it, move on to the next step and restart your computer. Click the Start menu, select Power, and then choose Restart. A full restart refreshes Windows services, including the ones that handle your mouse and touchpad. After the computer turns back on, open Chrome again and test scrolling one more time. If the problem is still there, the next thing to check is whether the issue is with your mouse or touchpad instead of Chrome itself. Try scrolling in File Explorer, another app, or even a different browser. If scrolling does not work anywhere, then the problem may be your mouse, touchpad, or input device. In that case, try reconnecting the mouse, replacing the batteries if it is wireless, or cleaning the mouse wheel if it feels stuck. If you are using a laptop, test the touchpad carefully to see if the issue happens there as well. Now, if scrolling works in other apps but not in Chrome, the next fix is to disable hardware acceleration. Open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. On the left side, click System. Then find the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available and turn it off. After that, restart Chrome again so the change fully applies. Hardware acceleration can sometimes conflict with scrolling behavior, especially if there is a graphics driver issue or Chrome is using the wrong rendering path. Turning it off often solves freezing, lagging, or scrolling not working problems right away. Once Chrome opens again, go back to a web page and test the scroll wheel or touchpad. In many cases, this final step fixes the issue completely. So to quickly recap, restart Chrome first, restart your computer second, check whether the mouse or touchpad is working properly, and then disable hardware acceleration in Chrome's system settings. These simple steps solve most scrolling problems without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss more easy tutorials and quick fixes in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.